So I got this from Amazon. It's a car dash cam, front and rear. Instructions, blah blah blah. User manual, warranty card. Sure, these look like covers. Wi-Fi. It's the camera. It's detachable. Oh, okay. Double-sided tape. Mounting hardware. This is to the rear camera. This is the rear camera. I can open this son of a bitch. So it touches like so. And use double-sided tape. Power cord. USB-C, USB. I'm gonna email the vendor and see if I can get a hardware kit for this. So look at that. There's your camera, power cord. Like I said before, I'm gonna contact the seller, so you get a hardware kit. So this came in from Amazon. It's a extension cord, 6.5 feet. It's for the rear view camera. Like I think I had mentioned previously, the one that came with the dash cam, it's about 5-6 feet too short to reach the back of the cab. So this should resolve the issue. So here's the rear view camera, and you see it connects there. So I'm going to run it under the vehicle. So you can go through here up to there. Alright, so it's ran underneath there. It came through, comes from the cab right there, and it's up to this pillar to there.
Start recording. Start recording.
So there it is. So I got the hardwire kit coming. Right now it's connected to this. I gotta wait a few days.
Miles charges from 10% to 80% in as little as 18. Hyundai's most electric EV. Changes the way you look at and feel about EVs, specifically Hyundai EVs. Learn more about Hyundai EVs at HyundaiUSA.com. Call 562-314-4643 for complete details.
The Marsha First School of Nursing can provide you with the education and training to earn your associate's degree and become an RN. You can even earn your BSN degree. Don't wait. New classes are enrolling now in Glendale, West Covina, Bakersfield, San Diego, and Riverside. Call the Marsha First School of Nursing today at 866-NEW-CAREER. That's 866-639-2273. Or visit mfnursing.com to learn more.
Hey, Katie. Hi. Let's embark on a performance calibration initiative synthesizing qualitative and quantitative.
Okay, I got the hardwire kit for the camera after contacting the vendor. So it has these adapters which go into the fuse box. So I determine which fuses I'm going to use. Okay, so I found a accessory and a constant. This number 40. Sorry, number 40. That's the adjustable pedal. Then I use number 29 here. That's the cigarette lighter. And it should light up. So this will be accessory. This will be the constant. Okay, so it's ran. So I got it right there. Today pillar. Through here. And ran it behind the firewall. Connected it there. Alright, so start the car.
Stop recording. Start time-lapse video.
There you go. So this is the one I had originally bought, but I think it's different, this Evo Plus versus the Evo Select. We'll see if that makes a difference.